What's going on, guys? This is Ryan from Learning Works for Kids Let's Play channel, and today we're doing another app review. This is of the app Tiles and Tales. This is an app that recently caught my attention. I noticed it was free on the App Store. It's most likely free on the Google Play Store as well. But let's just get into it. So this is an app I found. It's basically like a puzzle kind of action adventure game that's pretty cool, and I'll show you the basics of it. It's a really cool game to get some some like working memory, some planning and flexibility. You can gain a lot of skills from this game, and it's a really nice game just to zone out and have a good time. So the main premise of this game is you have this little character at the top of the screen, as you can see, and like an opponent or something, as every time you fight one you'll get something new. So basically we have this opponent and my character at the top of the screen. You'll see I have 50 health at the top, my opponent has 4. So now I have to grab these tiles that I have down here and figure a way to defeat my opponent. You'll see that there's different types of tiles, and there's like attack tiles, healing tiles, gem tiles like the blue ones, and they all have different purposes. So we're gonna start moving the tiles around. Basically, if I swipe to the left, all the tiles will move. If I swipe, and you'll see that the same type of tiles will combine. So if I swipe up, you'll see that all of those red tiles that were lined up combined. If I swipe right, those top 3 sword tiles will combine as well. And basically the premise right now is I'm trying to get a bunch of sword points so I can basically defeat this enemy. So I got enough points, I basically connected enough of the gems together to defeat this opponent. So we're at our next thing. Basically this is a different opponent. This one is just as simple as it is. It's a chest that I need to open up. So it looks like, you see how its health is only 1, so I only need one key gem basically to open up. So I'm already good, I already have what I need, but I'll just make 2, why not? And now my key will open up that, and I'll basically pass this part of this level. You may be wondering, how long does this go on? If each level, it has this bar right here that says 2 out of 15 or whatever out of 15. Once you get enough of the blue squares, you can basically progress through the level. Some other cool thing that you can do in this game is there's like skills, there's weapons, there's a lot. It's pretty intricate once you get into it. One of the weapons is this sword that randomly appeared. So we're gonna click on it, and it explains exactly what it does. Instantly defeats an enemy, so why not? We have it on our board, why not use it? So we use it, instantly defeat this enemy and progress through. So you can either use the red tokens and try and defeat them, or use that. This is what those green tokens are for. This is basically called a healing shrine. If I had taken damage, this would be useful. Basically, if my health went down to 40 and I needed a little more health, I could bring it back up to 50 and it would give me more health. But I already have max health, so it's not really going to do too much. But you'll see it's very much working memory. You have to remember what tiles are used for what monster, how to use them in the right situation, and yeah. So this is actually going to go on for a little bit more. I want to show you guys some more stuff before this this tutorial is over today. So we're just going to click quit game. On your own, you just want to get all the way through the level, get to 15, and keep progressing through. But I want to show you guys some more things before we end this video. So let's go. So some other cool things about this game is that there's like shops where you can spend in-game money, but you can also spend like in-game currency and get some special things. There's different characters, like there's different heroes you can switch between. You can be Prince Gareth or Lily, or unlock more as you go on. You can get different skills. For example, if I wanted to get this, I only need to spend 1 gold to get this ability called Treasure Hunter. It increases the value of new key tiles. So every key tile looks like it'll have 2 instead of 1. So that's pretty cool. I'll just grab that right now. And yeah, there's like leaderboard ranking, there's quests. So when you're doing your missions, you're gonna want to try and follow your quests, like defeat a certain amount of enemies or use specific items. So you definitely want to be planned to go along with your quest and just keep going like that. As you can see, you kind of follow down the path as you keep progressing as well until you fight a boss and then get into a new area. A lot of like how these progressing mobile games work, but it's definitely pretty fun and definitely worth a try. And you can get some knowledge from it. It's a great source of flexibility, trying out new tiles, trying out new weapons, skills, basically working memory, remembering what your old ones do and how each tile works, and yeah, just planning out your character and what type of abilities and skills you like to use. Hope you guys had a fun time watching, and see you guys next time in Learning Works for Kids Let's Play. Bye.